Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Flock Around and Find Out. We are here. This is the first week of January. It's January 3rd. We're back out here on Pickwick Lake. Me and my buddy Austin. We're gonna see if we can't get on a few of these smallmouth. See if we can pick up what this January cold weather winter pattern's gonna be. Y'all stay with me. Was it just one?
Yeah.
Woo!
That was right.
Do what?
That was right.
Yeah, that was a little chilly.
But overall,
It could have been worse. Could have been worse. Yeah, it was. The outside tent was probably a little bit warmer then. Yeah, that's true. It is ugly stuff. Yeah, it was. It was like in the 30s, wasn't it? We're just gonna roll right up into this mouth of this creek here. See what she's biting. That was a smallmouth right there. I saw it, it's brown. I don't know what's going to be the deal. Bigger minnow. But I'm changing this one out since you're putting that on, and I'm going to put on something red.
okay.
I wanted to do that. I was going to do that yesterday, but I never got around to it. Let's do, don't have red there. 15 to 17. No. That one might work. I don't really want that though. What's it gonna hurt to try? I said red, I'm gonna do yellow. I said red, but I'm gonna do yellow to start with.
You did yellow? You got a white on?
I got that.
White.
Yeah, I get that like purple and white color.
Well, I'm gonna do what you don't do.
Red.
Red.
Yeah, I thought I had something deeper in red, like a deep diving, but I couldn't find it. That's what prompted that search.
Pretty deep in this water.
Right here it is 21 feet, but I'm headed up towards that point, and it's gonna get a little more shallow.
It looks like it gets kind of shallow.
This is more of that crawfish color, so I'm hoping maybe that's gonna be a thing. Yeah, there you go. Here's a fish. They are. They're in a boat. Usually this overcast is good for fishing. Yeah. I don't know how the full moon's gonna play into it. My face was screaming at me on the ride. They said, "What are you doing? Why? Why do this?" I was like, "It's for the fish." First little school of fish I've seen. Yep. Has it? There's something fabric on the left side. Huh. There's somebody living in them caves. Yeah. That's a little campsite. You wonder. Could be. He probably knows where all the fish are. Uh-huh. Cave people. Cave people. It's a whole colony of them. There's a fish. That's a friggin' bait fish. I must have been. Dang shad. Yep. Nope. Dadgummit. That's a dang rockfish. He fought like a good one. Oh, I can't believe that. Dang rock. I don't know how I did that. I picked up and it was heavy, and I set the hook. I was like, "Here's one." Can't believe that mess. Well, I know they're here. I'm seeing them now. Like I'm seeing some on here. And I was just anticipating because that cast was right where that one had jumped. And I said, "Oh, this is it." Oh, he's a good one. He's a real good one. Hang on, I'm gonna come in with him, I think. Real good one. Oh man. He's a pretty fish. Grab that scale. Let's see what he weighs just for giggles. Yeah, it's in that compartment on that side, driver's side. What do you think it weighs?
4.
You think it goes 4?
Yeah, 4 probably.
Right at 4. 4 on the dot.
Wow. That's a good one.
It is. Pretty fish too. Thank you for biting, Mr. Fish.
Man.
Oh, he came off. You're freaking kidding. Man. That's a good one. Yeah, go ahead and grab it. He's coming up to the side. Grab him. There you go. There we go.
Like he quite as big as that other one.
He got a mouth on him. Thank you. He did. We're gonna weigh him too, though. He's a pretty largemouth. Pretty largemouth. He's kind of skinny though, ain't he?
Yeah.
He ain't got no belly on him. What do you think he weighs?
He's smaller than that other. I say 3. 3 or a little bit over 3.
I'm gonna say 3.2.
3.2 is about right. Pretty reasonable.
3.3.
3.3. Let's see.
No, it went back down. 3.2.
You got it.
3.2 on the dot.
It's because water dripping off of it.
That's it. All right. Turn that back off. Save our battery. Hands ain't functioning. It's kind of a little cold.
A little bit.
He's not fat at all. He's got a mouth. He's got every bit of a 4-pound fish body, but he ain't been eating good enough. Thank you for biting, fishy. There he goes. He was trying. He had the hook. See if we can catch some more of them now. Good one too. He's a good one. Here's a good one. Oh man.
Holy moly.
I don't know what this is. Maybe a catfish, but he's a big one. What is that? Oh, it's a freaking stick. Can you believe that? What is that? Ain't no stick. What the heck is that? Golly bum. I said, that's a good one. That's twice.
That's steel.
What the heck?
It's like somebody's trot line weight or something.
What in the heck? Well, thanks for biting, whatever you are. Oh, goodness. I done thought I had something nice. Because right before that, I had that bite right there. I saw it come up. I am. I saw it. There's another. He's not huge. Got a belly on him.
Yeah.
It's a little spotted bass. Quit.
You need some help?
Yeah, hand me them pliers right there if you can. Thank you.
Got 3 treble hooks.
He wasn't coming off, was he? I am gonna see what that little turd weighs, just to see. He's got a little belly on him, fat little booger.
I'm gonna say 0.75.
You probably a half pound. I think you're being a little generous.
Well, I'm giving him some credit.
14 ounces.
16 ounces is a pound.
Yeah, he's right at a pound. That belly's deceiving.
Yep.
Okay. So go back and tell your big brother and your mother to come up here and bite them things that look like bait fish. But not the real ones. We want you to bite the ones that are fake. Little spotted bass on the jerkbait. Little Shimano jerkbait. Got the flash boost in it. Same one that we got on some last time I was out here with. So with this jerkbait, we're basically finding structure. We're finding some logs. There's some stumps right through here. There's rock. But I am fishing this jerkbait slow. I'm casting it out, and I'll twitch, and I'll let it set. And in my head, I'm counting to 5. And then I'll take up a little slack, and I'll twitch, and count to another 5. It's just real slow fishing. Sometimes I'll put a third twitch in there, but they're usually what they're doing is they'll hit it on that pause when it's sitting there, and then I'll start to take up a little slack to do another twitch, and there'll be one sitting on it. They're not hitting it real hard, but the line will get heavy. Maybe, yeah. Here he comes. He's not as big as I thought, but he's. Yep, 114. Get him. Need a net. Nice. On the jig. Let's weigh that one too, just so we can keep up with our total today. He's probably bigger than that last one I caught. He's a pound, I bet.
Yeah, he's a 1 pound, yeah.
Let's see.
Anywhere.
Okay. He's a pound on the dot.
Alright. Slightly bigger than the last one.
Yeah.
Right.
Good deal.
5 piece.
That one fought good. Did he just take it, or on that jig, did he take it, or was he just kind of swimming off with it?
None of the above. I thought it was just hung on. I thought it had a leaf or a stick or something.
Yeah.
No. This is all it was.
Just you picked it up and it was heavy?
It felt heavy, and I pulled it a little bit, and it still felt heavy, and I started reeling it in because I thought, well, I got a stick.
Yeah. He wasn't fighting, was he?
Not really, no.
That's these lethargic cold water fish. That's what I feel like. A lot of them, it's like the bigger ones you can tell because it's heavy.
Yeah.
But like that weight thing that I caught back there, I could have swore it was a fish just because that's how they are. They're just sort of heavy, just like you're dragging something through the water.
Yeah. That's why it felt like I had a wild bag or something.
Yeah.
That one's big, but
Yeah.
it felt like I had something.
A 1 pound walnut. There's a dang drum. No, it's a stripe. It got off though. There's a little stripe. So there's what it totaled up. It says 12.2. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up this video. We didn't catch many fish today. We did catch some pretty decent sized fish. The smallmouth being the nicest one. Had a really nice largemouth. He's just kind of skinny. He's a large frame fish. Should have been a 4.5 pound fish really, but he just didn't have the groceries in him. But caught some random fish, hooked into a little stripe there right before we finished. Had a little bait fish we caught early first thing this morning. Had several bites. I missed a really good one. I was fishing on some down timber. There's a log laying down on the point of an island. He hit it, took it. I set the hook, but it jerked it right out of his mouth. It happens. The bite's been really slow. This is the first real day in January to fish. Again, this is Pickwick, so if y'all like this kind of stuff, y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up and a like, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I really appreciate y'all. The more subscribes y'all can give me, the better my channel does and helps the algorithm on YouTube. So I do appreciate it if y'all can give me a subscribe. Maybe the videos coming as the pre-spawn kicks in, warmer months come, we'll catch some more fish, have more quality fish catches for y'all to enjoy. Thanks again, guys.